everyone. Today, we're going to learn how to create a new Power BI report file. If you're just starting out with Power BI, you're in the right place. Shall we start? Welcome to Made Easy. My name is Jane. Together with our dedicated team, we're here to make software learning simple and enjoyable. Explore our wide range of video tutorials for a seamless learning experience. In this tutorial, we're working with an Excel workbook named Sample Superstore as our initial data source. Once imported into Power BI Desktop, this becomes part of our dataset visible in the data pane. Next up, we're going to import data from another Excel workbook named Financial Sample. Once you import it, you'll notice the new data appear in the data pane alongside the Sample Superstore data. From here, you can start a new page and craft a report view with this new dataset. If you're unsure about how to create a new page in Power BI, don't worry, we've got a tutorial for that. Just check out the link in the description below. However, keep in mind that when you're working with large datasets, importing unrelated data sources into a single Power BI report file can get a bit tricky. To avoid any data mix-up, instead of adding data from Financial Sample this to our existing report, we must import it to New Instance. To start a new instance of Power BI Desktop, simply go to the top left corner and click on the File tab. From there, select the New Report option, and a separate Power BI report window will open. This is just like opening a new document in Word or Excel. Now, you can import your Financial Sample data into this new report without overlapping with the Sample Superstore data. There you have it, a brand new Power BI report file ready for you to customize and explore without any data confusion. All right, that's everything for this tutorial. I hope you found it useful. If you did, give us a thumbs up and check out more tutorials on Made Easy. If you're new here, we'd love to have you join our community. Thanks for joining us on this learning journey. Keep learning and see you in the next video.